Hi, so this is the demo of the AI assistant that I've built. The five channels that we are uh, connecting to the agent are Web UI, Telegram, Webhook, Slack, and Gmail. So we'll do a quick demo of these five channels. So I've kind of have the channels alive here, listening to the poll, and I can show you quick examples. For example, so if I say hi, hello, here, I see another hi here, and then I have to. So this is an email that I sent from this email ID to my uh, email ID. What it does is kind of creates a draft, does not send it because that's how it's been programmed. uh, Slack returns back how are you. uh, Telegram also comes back. This is the webhook. I gave this prompt to prepare for a meeting, and then this is the answer that I got. And if so, we can do this for web UI, kind of user ID and paired owners, and it'll quickly respond in the terminal for now so that yep, there you go. So yeah, this is week. So the question was, what can I do this weekend in Bengaluru? We shorten your response. Uh, Response is this weekend in Bangalore. You can explore blah 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 blah, and that's how the five channels are working. This is my Gmail channel. So if you see, while the agent was alive, I was getting um, emails from these senders. HDFC, Wakefit, Unstop, and all of these got dropped because the agent is not supposed to respond to these. The only email that I get from Saira Saxena is what it is responding to. So this was the email, and then the recommendation that was saved as a draft. Uh, and this is Slack. Yes, this is Slack. Hi, how are you? And it kind of responds back, live socket. And this is Telegram. Hi, how can I help you today? Right. So these are the five channels, and I'll quickly take we'll take a look at the subscription that we are working with. So this is the subscription that's written. So triage inbox, chat asks, draft recommendations, never send mail, and that's why it's saving it as draft, post or change outside word, explicit approval. Uh, Event types, this is what it is monitoring. These are the sources. Request approval is there. Um, so the budget that has been set is as per these numbers, and I have ignored the S16 code, the agent itself, so that it does not get into the loop. Uh, the next thing is to make this agent ignore something, right? And okay, quickly looking at the console. So this is the console that I've been working on, and uh, these are the messages that has been completed. Latest that we sent are these. So if I quickly refresh, so these are also completed, right? Now let's make this agent sending it a command that it can ignore. It should ignore ideally. So what it does is it sends a input from newsletter at example.com and says no action needed, product update digest. So no action needed. So that's why it should ideally be ignoring it, which is what we will see in console also. So ignore becomes 3, mail received and ignored, right? So explicitly said no action needed. It is categorized as newsletter. So that's how it's ignoring Butcher is alive. Next test that I want to do is to wait, right? So to wait, I use this prompt and let me try this out. And while this comes back, let's also look at, so this is waiting, right? Uh, and we can now uh, go and probably, so if we see in the console the agent is alive, we can go and kill the agent. So now the agent is not reachable. Let's rerun it. So agent is running. Let's go back and say yes, or say probably no, and then see. So this is where I get stuck. It has to, it kind of gets into a loop which needs to be fixed. Yeah. So approval needed. Now is what? Continue doing that. Okay. So yeah, so this is where it comes to. We see all these are now completed, and what is important to see is that we've been using the same run ID. So all of these multiple trials that we did, even after we killed the agent, was working on the same run ID, and when it kind of finally accepted my yes and no, then it says please provide the details, blah blah blah. Right, so yeah, and then finally, if the agent has been running, and which is has been for some time, and I want to take a quick report of what has happened. So 29 events has happened, 3 have been ignored, 26 acted, and these are the details about all the events that were acted, ignored, or nothing was refused. So nothing was refused. Uh, the agent is still alive, and uh, though it's silent, it may go silent, and but it's still responding to the channels. But if we kill it, that's where, so that's how we differentiate between killed and something. Now there's no report. uh, this agent is dead right now, right? So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much.